This is Meena Sharma. Today we will talk about factors and multiples. So first we will talk about factors. What do you mean by factor? A number which divides a given number exactly. What is the meaning of exactly? Without leaving any remainder is called factor of the given number. Okay, let's say take 16. Now, what are the factors of 16? So, you have to check which number can divide 16. So, we will start with 1. So, 16 is divisible by 1. So, what we will get? 16. Now, 16 is a even number. So, 16 will come in 2 table also. So, 16 is divisible by 2 also. So, what will come? 8. Now, 16 will not come in 3 table. So, 3 cannot divide 16. How? If you will divide 16, 3 5s are 15 and 1 is left. So, it is not exactly divisible by 3. There is remainder left, and we told exactly divisible means without leaving any remainder. So 16 is not divisible by 3, so we will not write that. Now 16 is divisible by 4. Yes, 16 is divisible by 4. So what will come? 4. 4 4s are 16. Now 16 is not divisible by 5. 16 is also not divisible by 6. 16 is also not divisible by 7. 16 is divisible by 8. Yes, 16 is divisible by 8. So 8 2s are 16. And 16 will not come in 9 table also. So 16 is not divisible by 9. So up to 9 we will check. We will start from 1 and we will check up to 9. So we will get maximum. In some cases 1 or 2 factors are left only. Otherwise we will get all the factors when we will start from 1 to 9. Okay, we will check every number from 1 to 9 only. Okay, so here now we will make this u. So see, 16 is same. Now we will find the factors of 16. So we will write factors of 16. Factors of 16 means which number can divide 16. So 1, yes. 2, yes. 4, yes. Then 8. Then we will go here. 2 I have written, so I will not write again. 4 already I have written, 8 already I have written, so 16 is left. So see, these are the factors of 16. These number can divide 16. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. Now, from this, we get many properties of factors from it. Okay, one by one I will tell. First is properties of factors. Properties of factors. Now, first, 1 is the factor of every number. Of every number. Now see, every number, whatever the number, every number is divisible by 1. So 1 is the factor of every number. Now, number itself is also a factor of a number. Okay, so here second property is the factor of a number, is always less than or equal to the given number. See, the factor of a number is always less than. मतलब देखिए आप 16 के फैक्टर these all are less than 16 and or equal to, यानी 16 का 16 is also a factor. So all the factors of a number is always less than or equal to the given number. Clear? Now, third property. Factors of a number are countable. Factors of a number are countable. Countable means limited. You can count. 16 has how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 factors it has. So 16 has 5 factors. We can count. Okay. So factors of a number are countable. And now see one more property of this ki a number. Now I want to rub this. Fourth is every number other than 1 has always two factors 1 and number itself. ये देखिए कोई भी नंबर होगा उसका 1 and the number itself is always the factor, only except 1, because 1 has only one factor. 1 will not come in other table. So 1 has only one factor. Other number, whatever will be the whole number, all have at least two factors. Okay. So first is 1 is the factor of every number. 1 can divide every number. Second is all the factors are less than or equal to the given number. Third, factors are countable. And fourth, every number has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. We can find factors by division method also. What we have done, that is division method, and we can find out by multiplication method also. Like this is division method. Okay, I am taking 20 and this is multiplication method. Okay, we can find factors by division method also and by multiplication, because you know division is opposite of multiplication and multiplication is opposite of division. Okay, so here I can say 20 is divisible by 1 is equal to 20. 20 is divisible by 2 is equal to 10. 10 will come. Now 20 is not divisible by 3 but by 4. Yes, 5s are. Now 20 is divisible by 5 also. 4s are. Now 20 will not divisible by 6, 7, 8 and 9. And I told you will check up to 9. So what are the factors of 20? Factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5. Now go, these are repeated, 10 and 20. Now we will do with multiplication. You can do reverse of it. Ki 1 is coming, 20 is coming in one table. You can do like this. 20 ones are 20. Now 2 tens are 20 in 2 table, also coming in 3 table. You will write in this way. 1 multiply. In 1 table, 1 20s are 20, 2 tens are 20. Now, in 3 table 20 will not come. 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. And 6 table not coming, 7 table 20 will not come, 8 table 20 will not come, 9 table 20 will not come. And I have given you hint ki you will check up to 9 only. You will get maximum factors now. Okay. So you will make u of this. Now you will write, these all are 20, so leave this, this you will write. So factors of 20 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Same answer. So you can do by division also and you can do by multiplication also. So these smaller number are the factor of 20. So 1 and 20 is also factor of 20. 2, 10, these two are factor of 20. 4, 5 also factor of 20. Okay. So from this we will get one more thing, कि when you multiply any two number, 20 is coming. So 4 and 5 are factors of 20. Factors of 20. Okay, so these are the factors and this is the product. You say na कि when you multiply two number we are getting the answer, that is called product. And product is also known as multiple. Known as multiple. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम when we multiply two number what the answer is getting, that is called multiple. That is called multiple. So now here the concept is coming multiple. We will do concept of multiplication in our further video. Multiple in our further video. So if you like this, please like the video.